In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Skool to Zapier. By the end, you'll have a secure, working connection so you can automate tasks across your Skool community with just a few clicks. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Skool. Click the official Skool website in the results. If you're ever unsure, check the domain spelling before you proceed. Once you're on the site, log in to your account. You'll need admin access to the community you plan to connect, so make sure you're signing into the right profile. After you're in, head to your community. From there, open the Settings area. Inside Settings, look for the Plugins section. This is where Skool lets you manage integrations that extend your community's capabilities. Find the Zapier plugin on the list. Make sure it's toggled on, then click Edit. Turning it on enables Skool to communicate with Zapier through a secure integration. Inside the plugin settings, locate your API key and your group URL. Copy both. These are essential for linking Skool to Zapier. Treat the API key like a password, don't share it publicly, and consider storing it in a secure password manager. The group URL should be the full web address of your Skool community. Now switch over to Zapier and log into your account. Once you're in, go to the Apps or My Apps page. This is where you manage all your app connections. Click the option to add a new connection, then search for Skool. Select it to begin the setup. A pop-up window will appear asking for your credentials. Paste your Skool API key into the API key field, and paste your Skool group URL into the group URL field. Double-check for extra spaces before or after the values, and make sure the URL includes the correct protocol, like HTTPS. Accuracy here prevents most connection errors. When everything looks good, click Yes. Continue to Skool to finalize the link. Zapier will validate your details and, if everything matches, it will confirm the connection. You should now see Skool listed as a connected app in Zapier. As a quick sanity check, you can start creating a Zap and choose Skool as the app to confirm triggers and actions are available. But you're all set once it shows as connected. That's it. You've connected Skool to Zapier. Keep your API key secure, and if you ever rotate keys in Skool for security, remember to update the connection in Zapier. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.